But by the way, as a vantage point for European, it's interesting to see that if you look at it from a euro denomination, the markets in the US have been flat, not positive. If you look for the US, from a US perspective, the European markets have been plus 30% if you increase the 20% by 10% currency devaluation. So that's just as a side note. The interesting thing about this McKinsey study, which I read, is that, and I mostly agree with, is that both Europe and the US have actually are relatively a small portion of this, even though it's massive in its absolute number. The US is about 16. The Americas actually specified as 16 and Europe 13. But it's in fact has to include tech-enabled, market-driven, and decentralized services and technology. So think of both sort of old school and new school infrastructure here.